Hello friends, my name is Himanshu and this video is for the solution for the task that I have given in the previous video. That if the student has scored more than 40 in both the exam, half yearly and final, the result should be pass. If not, if he has scored less than 40 in both the exam, result should be fail or otherwise compartment. So how to write this function? Look at the formula bar. Here I am typing equal to if. Now I need to give two logical conditions here, so definitely I will have to apply AND. So AND, first logical is half yearly score should be greater than 40. Second is final score also should be greater than 40. Bracket close. It's asking for value of true, and the value of true is going to be if both the conditions are fulfilled, then it has to be pass. So in quotation I'm typing pass, comma, value false. If this is not the case, then again I'm going to check with the help of if condition, and again I need to check with two conditions here. So I'm going to apply AND once again. Logical one is going to be half yearly score if it's less than 40. Logical 2, final score again if it's less than 40. If both the conditions are true, this means the result should be fail, comma, so as a value of true I am putting up fail, or else the final condition is going to be compartment. So within quotation I need to give compartment. Two bracket close and enter, we will have the answer. Here you may see that both the conditions are less here, half yearly less than 40, final less than 40, so fail. Both the conditions are getting fulfilled, half yearly greater than 40 and final also greater than 40, pass. But here one of the condition is fulfilled, that is greater than 40 but less than 40 here in final exam, so the result got compartment. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.